Hi friends, my name is Victoria Menika and welcome to my YouTube channel. I had my first video like a month ago and I was really encouraged by the positive review it got. Many, at least some people viewed it, and I think it's a step and an indication that yes, I can continue, and what I'm doing really is making sense to you. If you've not watched the last video, the link is below. Today I'm going to be talking about something totally different from what I did last month. I'm going to be talking about how to cope if you've graduated from the university with a low degree, and how to get a job. Low degree from the university or college, as it might sound. Like in Nigeria, using Nigeria, you have the first class, you have the 2-1, you have the 2-2, you have third class, and you have the pass. So anything from 2-2 is not very and is not encouraged. If you get a result from 2-2 is not very encouraged, because the competition for work is very stiff. And I think why things are more difficult is that the rate of unemployment is like very high. So the few jobs that are there, even the people with the good results have not even gotten the jobs. Talk more of those people with the low degrees. So if you have a low degree from the university, it's not, I don't think that's the end. In fact, that is not the end of the world for you. Yes, you have to face the reality. Number one, you have to face the fact you've graduated with that result. It's not something you can wish away. It's not something I close the eyes, oh my God, let this result be gone, and it goes, no. It's there to stay, because the deed has been done. So if you have that result from the university, number one, you have to accept the fact this is the result you graduated with. You accept it that yes, despite it might be that you were sick or you had one problem or the other, whatever circumstance led to that result, it's not a time to deliberate on that. It has happened, is what has happened. You accept that fact. Then secondly, you need to focus on your skills, because when you are writing your CV, especially when you're applying for jobs, you need to focus more on your skills than your results, because your results is not very good. So you need to take a back bench. Then you focus on your skills, such as your writing skills, your leadership skills. If you have your computer skills and all those things, you need to project them, so that when a prospective employer sees it, you say yes. Before he even goes to the results part, you say yes. You will be able to give you a chance when you focus on your skill. Then thirdly, you need to network. Yes, you need to network. Networking cannot be overstressed, because networking is very important. It's very important. It's like very relevant. This networking means you meet prospective employers. You can go for conferences. When you go for conferences, it won't hurt you to pass your CV to someone, whether the person sees it or not, but you've made an effort. You go for conferences, you go for relevant seminars, you go for seminars, and you can also use social media, especially LinkedIn. When you're using LinkedIn, it's very that social media is very good for professionals. When you go to you can create a LinkedIn account. When you create a LinkedIn account, you project all your skills, all your qualifications, and if you are lucky, a prospective employer can go through your LinkedIn account and really connect with you. So this is not the time for you to spend all your time going through your ex's profile on Facebook and all that. You need to be more creative. So when you create that LinkedIn account, you project all your skills, and it's something that is going to help you. Prospective employers are likely to see you through that account. It's not the time for you to scroll through Instagram. You can have an Instagram account, but for the purpose of networking, LinkedIn is your go-to social media skill. So fourthly, you need to go for your masters or certification courses. If you are into economics or accounting, you can go for your ICANN. You make sure you graduate with a good result there. It's going to really put you a step ahead of others. You understand? When you have your masters, you present your degree with your masters, and with a better result in your masters, it's going to really put you ahead of others. And those certification courses, especially NGOs and some other private organizations, they really love certification courses because they are more interested in what you can do for them than just presenting certificate. So when you are being interviewed and you have all this, it's going to give you a very good chance. Then fifthly, you can volunteer. Yes, you can work as a volunteer for some time. Working as a volunteer helps you to gain the necessary experience you need. You can gain the necessary experience you need. It can connect you to the right people, and eventually, even if you are not employed in that organization, you have the knowledge. That knowledge is something that you can add to your credential and to your CV. The knowledge is something you can add to your CV, and again, that knowledge can help you also in getting your dream job. And even if you are even diligent as a volunteer, the possibility that you will be employed is really, really, really high. Yes, because when you do your work diligently as a volunteer, the possibility that you'll be employed in that company is very high. But the issue is that most people don't have that patience to do volunteer work. It's not really easy because it's like you're working for free. You're working for free, but you have an objective in mind. Yes, because nothing goes for nothing. If you don't need that experience, you won't have bothered with it. If you don't need the experience, you don't have bothered with it. So whenever you apply for a volunteer work, you apply for a job, a volunteer work in an organization that you have high prospects in. Then sixthly and last of all, you need to have faith. I think faith is just the paramount thing, because sometimes your faith alone can help you even when every other thing has failed. Your faith in God can really help you to achieve so many things. So if you enjoyed this video as much as I do, please subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel, and you can like this video and share with your friends. Thank you very much. See you.